Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off vacation mode on Etsy. This is very simple and easy guys, so make sure to watch this video from now to the end. Now, what is vacation mode exactly and what's the difference between it and closed mode? Well, vacation mode lets you put your shop on hold for a period of time and is helpful if you are temporarily unable to run your shop. An emergency keeps you from being able to manage your shop and you are traveling or sick and you need a quick break to catch up on current orders. So you can set an auto reply, etc. But how can we turn it off back? Well, it's the same steps as you did for turning on vacation mode. It's literally the same steps. Instead of turning it on, it will be off. Let me tell you exactly in details. So first of all, you need to sign into Etsy, go to your shop manager, then select settings. From settings, select or choose options and then select the vacation mode. Now it will be like this in case you clicked into the article, in case you haven't gotten a shop yet. But in case you had a shop, by clicking in here it will take you directly to that page. Then choose the option to off, then choose the save button and you will be good to go. It's very simple and easy guys. There are not much that you have to worry about. And once you've turned off vacation mode, it can take up to 10 minutes for all of your listings to become visible again. So it's very simple and easy. Now, once you have the vacation mode turned off, you are ready now to settle down and start working again, start selling stuff, contacting your clients, making orders, and preparing your products. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comments. With that being said, thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.